Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD for a very early episode of our daily stock market insights. Okay, the reason why I'm so early today is because I had technical difficulty last night. I was already done with the recording only to realize that I had the wrong window captured. So it was purely blank with all my audio on it. But don't worry, this is my commitment. I want to make sure that I am able to um, review the market before the day starts. Okay, so if this is the first time you're watching my video, feel free to subscribe so you're always updated whenever I have a new one. Okay, so let's start with the index, and of course, I'll prioritize your requests. Okay, so in the last video I have here, so I've been, trying to figure out your name, and now I think I know your name. You are Myra Grace, if I'm not mistaken. So you're Myra Grace. So Myra Grace here wanted me to review Shang, CIC, CLI, RFM. Okay, so I'll check out the index and then I go through the requests that you have here. Neil, thanks, Miss JD. You're welcome, Neil. I hope you're also watching this video now. Okay, so index, well, we ended green yesterday, but it's very unstable yet. We're not out of the woods because it is, in fact, respecting the downtrend movement here. We had a gap down, right? We had a gap down, and then uh, what it actually did yesterday was just to fill that gap. So my take on this is that we're not done yet. We might even be touching the this area. So it's an area, that it could be higher or a little bit higher or lower, but you know that it's around 6,400 level. Still had foreign selling that happened yesterday, so I am a bit on the bearish side or on the conservative side in terms of expectation. But don't worry, we're starting to gain that momentum in our RSI. So hopefully we are going to bounce or yeah, recover soon. So that's my outlook. Let's check out Myra's request. Shang. Shang is, wait, what's the Shang? SNG. Okay, okay. Okay. Shang has already recovered after a very, very long, sideways with uh, sideways to downtrend trajectory. There you go. Grabe ang if you're just intraday trading this, ang laki ng mga daily gains mo dito kung nasasalo mo siya sa baba. Oh, yan oh. Everyday halos parang 4-5%, 4 to 6% ang pwede mong malaro sa kanya. Ang lalaki ng mga weeks eh. So in this case, what I can say here is that, okay, may nabasa akong uh, article about Shang. I think they're opening another branch or I'll just I'll get back to you on that. Basta may another branch that is opening. Hindi ko lang alam. I will reply back to your comment. But in terms of chart, we are approaching a resistance for Shang. Saan? Dito. So, kung you're considering to enter, I suggest hintayin mo muna mag-pullback. Pero if you are considering to take profit, you can lock in just a few percentage of your position. Kasi I know ang tagal nito yun, 'di ba? Ang tagal nitong sideways at one point nasa 3.39 siya. So baka uh, yun, baka mabalikan pa niya yung mga around 4 peso level. So, ito may dividend din pala siya. Tingnan natin yung kanyang. Okay, ganda. Earnings in Q1. Ganda earnings in 2022. May ano ka pa, may cash dividend ka pa. So, I think maganda rin to upuan for, long-term perspective. Nasa weekly chart pala ako. tingnan natin ko. Oo, tama. So, yeah, we're approaching a resistance area. So, konting ano lang, para lang at least ma-experience mo man ang iyong gain if you're already profitable. Tapos pag nag-drop siya, you have more buying power to add when you buy some more when it drops or mag-retrace. So, if you are really long term here, wala, technically, pwede rin naman, you don't do anything. Okay, but my take on this is, yeah, kahit konti lang, konting fraction lang ng ano you can profit take para just you have that buying power anytime na mag-pull back siya. Okay, good din tong siyang looking at the trend sa kanilang revenue. CIC, ang kung ng mga ano nila, no? Yung chart niya. My take here, if you're not in the stock yet, I'd suggest look for another one kasi tingnan mo ang trade is one lang. So even if willing ka na, let's say to buy, pero 15.76 yung price, willing to buy ka, pero walang gusto mag-sell, hindi mo rin makukuha yan. In the same manner, gusto mo mag-sell sa 15.76 at walang gustong bumili, wala rin, hindi mo rin ma-execute yan. So I try to gear away from those stocks na napaka liit ng trades kasi baka matulog lang siya ng matagal unless na example yung presyo niya ngayon 15.76 at babaan mo talaga significant, for sure may kakagat niyan. Pero in terms of technicals, we are okay, slightly above the MA 20 line on the weekly chart. So hindi pa to very stable. Siguro one candlestick na talagang nakaupo above that. Then we can say okay, it is now shifting the direction. Magiging uptrend na siya. Pero at this point, anything can still happen. Pwede pa tong second half of the week maging bearish yung sentiment, edi continuation lang siya ng downtrend. So maybe give it this week to really decide kung saan ang direction niya gusto niyang tahakin. Q1 earnings, okay. There's negative yung ano niya, pero yung dividend niya 3.19. So yun siya. That's for CIC. Next is CLI. CLI, ito, medyo popular to sa Cebu. Madami sila projects sa Cebu. I think pati Bacolod, Negros, Iloilo, madami sila projects. So, tingnan natin. Maganda, may cash dividend. Earnings, good. Good. So, I think you're at a very cheap level for CLI if you're considering to enter this. Yeah. So, at one point, tumaas siya, tapos binalikan niya itong level na to. I think at the moment, this is working on, or this is moving in this range. So parang range trading ang mangyayari dito. So since this week, nag-umpisa siyang rejection dito sa MA 20 line, baka may tuloy-tuloy na mag-reject siya. So hintayin mo muna. If you wanna get in this stock, pwedeng dito o dito. Observe nyo kasi may support ka dito at may support ka dito. So chances are either of the two siya babagsak. So hayaan nyo muna. Let it drop. You can still get it at a cheaper level. How far will that be? That could be, oh, ang taas din pala, no? It could be, kung dito ka, that's 11%. Discount dito, 6%. So you can probably get this at 11% discounted rate. Kung hihintayin mo. Hindi lang natin alam kung dito siya magbabounce o dito siya magbabounce. Okay? So, abangan natin yan. So, the moment it touches this one, observe RSI. Kung nagbo-bullish divergence. Ang bullish divergence, again, ito siya. Parang, yan, tumataas siya. So, yan, itong nakikita natin ngayon, sana ma-maintain niya yan when the price touches this level. In the same manner, ito din. So, i-expand mo lang yan. Dapat here, nag-touch siya kunwari dito, dapat umakyat din dito yan, yung kanyang RSI. So, that's our outlook. Hayaan niyo muna si CLI to calm down and pa-exitin niyo na yung mga profitable and yung mga traders na naglalaki ng gains nila. Uh, RFM, RFM, hmm, okay. Itong RFM, posibleng may parating na big action dito. Pwedeng ilalaruin niya ng mga jockey players or what. Ah, kasi may biglang laking volume. Wala, pero 10 million yung market cap. Baka mabilis lang din yan paggalawin eh. Kumpara mo dito sa 418. Yun, di ba? Balik tayo RFM. Yes. So, observe mo lang, but definitely nasa support area siya. At if it creates this one, siguro, kasi since yesterday, red pa siya eh. May green candlestick at tumuloy-tuloy itong volume na to. Yan, tumuloy-tuloy na mataas ang volume. Then, that could be a good sign na baka may laro itong parating. Okay? Kasi tingnan mo to. Ang lalaki ng volume, tapos pahinga, 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 tapos may bibili na namang malaki. Ibig sabihin may mga big whales yan bumili na isang bultuhan, tapos biglang laki ng volume. So, nag-ano na sila. Hindi nila binabagsak yan ng isang bagsakan eh. Pwedeng nag-enter sila dito, 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 tapos dito na naman. Tapos gugulatin ka na lang the next, few weeks, may biglang magandang laro ito. So we will see. Kasi nasa support na siya eh. Naglalaro na siya sa support. Parang yung strong support na rin to. So abangan natin yan. Okay? Maybe in the next 2-3 days, just remind me, silipin natin ulit. Okay, so those are the requests of Amira. Tingnan natin yung iba. Tingnan natin si Dito. Dito, ayun. For dito, kasi ito yung sinasabi ko, talagang talamak ang trading dito. Walang halos long-term investors dito. Konting ano lang, recover sa price, babalik ulit. So, kaya hindi siya umuusad eh. Pinupugaran ng mga intraday trades. So, babalik to for sure. Could be tingnan natin. I-measure muna natin sa Fibonacci retracement kung may chance na within the area. Okay. So, pwedeng gagawa siya ng support at the area where it is at right now, 262, or pwedeng babalikan ng MA20. So, at least we know the areas where it could potentially bounce. So, ito lang, 1, 262, and 255. But overall, yeah, baka mag-gap down ito at i-fill niya yung gap at mag-recover na. Otherwise, abutin niya talaga to. Pero ang kagandahan lang, it was going down, ano? Pero yung volume niya, unti-unti na ring, I remove ko muna tong drawing. While it was going down, so increase yung volume. Tapos nag-drop, 4-5 days na siya naka-drop, pero sobrang minimal din yung kanyang volume as it goes down. So my assumption here is a lot of them are still holding on to their positions kasi murang-mura pa. Murang-mura naman talaga siya. And then probably they will add more pag nakaabot na dun sa mga key bounce areas na na-identify natin. So yesterday may foreign buying din. So tingnan natin. Isa pang aabangan dyan is when you start to see insider trades. Kung for example, mga big officers like si Dennis Uy bumili na. Yun, alam na natin yung kasunod niyan. Ano bang sinabi ko? Yesterday sa page ko, SCC ba yun? Parang SCC yeah, SCC. Si SCC, si Consunye, nag, ano na eh. They bought more. Ito, AAAA means acquired. Sino? Director, chairman, and CEO dumadagdag na ng mga shares. So, ibig sabihin, posibleng mag-recover na to anytime soon. Diba? Nasa ano siya eh, nasa support area na rin, no? Tingnan nyo. Wala masyado halos, wala nang bumibitaw dito. So, basically, malapit na itong umakyat. So, that is for SCC. Well, of course, there are Along the way, may mga resistances siya, pero ang madaling basagin to. Isang kakaabangan natin dito is of course, when will this gap be filled? So yan siya. And I think for those people who are considering to enter, this is a perfect time. Next nitong dividend, most likely October eh. Ito, hindi ko nga lang mabuksan. Yan, ayan, yan ah. So, we're done with this in April. Abangan natin sunod around October. So, kailan ka? Wag niyong hintayin yung malapit silang mag-declare ng dividend kasi definitely lilipad na yan. Dito habang hindi pa siya pinapansin, slowly, dagdag lang kayo ng dagdag. Kailangan wag kayo gagawa ng ingay at mag-hype na naman yan. Habang di pa sila umiingay dito, pumapasok ka na. Yan yung position trading strategy. Okay, so yun lang muna. If you have other requests, well, maaga pa naman, drop a comment, let me know ha, para at least I can record more and include your stocks, alright? In the meantime, thank you for watching and bye-bye for now. Good luck in your trades!